Today I'm riding the train 26 hours from DC to Florida. Yes, 26 hours economy. I did my research, downloaded my movies because they said the Wi-Fi could be spotty, and it was. So let's see how it turned out. My travel partner is Mommy Dearest, and we're at Union Station, the Amtrack waiting room. Now we're on, and I was worried about the seats. And if I needed a cushion, I did not. The seats were very comfy. And if you're lucky like my bossy mother, you can actually extend your legs. Each row has two outlets for charging, and each seat comes fully equipped with the footrest and leg rest, and there's plenty of space between the seats, even with it reclined. For dining, you can eat at your seat or in the dining cart, but as a Jamaican, we have to carry our jerk chicken because we say good food. For the most part, the bathroom was clean. When it got dirty, conductor cleaned it. I am definitely doing this again.